Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Is the voice clear? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. We shall just wait for a minute and then we shall start the class. Just a minute. Okay. Till then, you can settle down yourself. Quickly turn on your videos. Use headphones, Bluetooth, earphones, whatever device you have at your home. And quickly settle yourself. I shall just wait for a minute and then we shall start. And today we are going to start a very new chapter. Just a more minute to go and then we shall start. Just one more minute. The topic of today's class is distance, time, speed. Okay, we will be learning this topic today: distance, time, and speed. Okay, and you know what? This distance, time, and speed, it is, some questions are purely based on formulas, and some, if you don't want to use the formulas or the long method, you can use short tricks for it. Okay, but formula, like we learned formula in profit and loss, and we also had formula in simple interest, average. In the same way, we have formulas in distance, time, and speed also. But three formulas, they are the basic one, basic formula. That means you have to use it in each and every question, the basic formula. Apart from that, when we learn the questions, when we see what type of questions comes in the examination, then we will learn that too as well. But first, let me start the basic formulas of distance, time, and speed. Okay, so if I talk about distance, you can calculate distance by multiplying speed into time. Okay, speed into time, you can calculate the distance, and if you have to calculate the speed, distance upon my time. If you have to calculate the time, distance upon my speed. Okay, these three are the basic formula. Distance is equal to speed into time, speed is equal to distance upon time, and time is equal to distance upon speed. The very basic formula. Please note this down. I'm waiting for 30 to 40 seconds. Please note this down. Yes, Gahan, what happened, beta? Gahan, want to say something? You are not audible, beta. I cannot hear you. Please do let me know in the chat box, dear, because I know you're trying to say something, but still I could not hear you, beta. DST triangle? What DST triangle? What is this, Monish? Why are you spamming? Please don't spam, beta. Please note this down. I'm waiting for 10-20 more seconds. Please note this down. Then I shall explain it, dear. Quickly note this down. Hope you must have done, right? Done, everyone? Take the screenshot now. Okay. Now, these are the basic formula and these are the basic formula. And one more thing that we have to study is we have to study and keep in our mind that speed you have to either calculate in kilometer per hour or you can calculate in meter per second. Okay, as per the question. If the distance is given in meter, convert that in kilometer. If the time is given in minutes, so convert that in seconds. But always do remember that if speed you have to calculate, speed should always be either in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Now, if I talk about the distance and time, so distance and time, it depends upon the options. If in the options, the distance answer is given in kilometer. So even if your answer is in meter, you have to convert that in kilometer. If you have the question to find time and your answer comes in second, but options are in minutes, so you have to convert that second into minutes. So distance and time, it depends upon the options which are available for the question, and speed, you have to calculate the speed either in kilometer per hour or meter per second or meter per second. Okay. Now, one more thing that we have to remember is what type of question comes in the examination. So these three are the basic formulas. Now just keep the formulas in your mind, and when you have the formulas in your mind, everything would seem easy to you. Now, I told you that speed should be either in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Right? Suppose you got your answer in meter per second and the options are in kilometer per hour. So what you will do? You will convert that meter per second into kilometer per hour. And how you have to do it? Let us see that. Suppose convert 15 meter per second into kilometer per hour. The speed is given in what? Meter per second. And now you are being asked to convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. What you will do? It's very simple and very easy. Whenever you have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, you will multiply that digit by 18 by 5. Okay, this is the short trick. This is the short trick, that you shall multiply whatever question is being given to you, value has been given to you, multiply that value by 18 upon 5. Suppose I have 15 meter per second, right? I have to convert this into kilometer per hour. So I will multiply this 15 by 18 upon 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15. Now 3 into 8. It is 54 kilometer per hour, your answer. And it's that easy. And the direct question of this type, it comes in the examination, especially in JNV and RMS. It do comes in the examination. Please take the screenshot, and if any doubt, raise your hand. Yes, Aditya Kishore. Quickly, you will turn on your mic and ask me the doubts.
Only divided by 5, or I did any other. I have another
Bit.
come on the top.
Pardon, Aditya, I could not get you, beta.
Mom, so can we divide like every digit to find out how much kmph is it by only 5, or can we do it with other numbers?
Only 5. 18 upon 5. Okay?
Mom,
That is only 18 by 5. Yes, Naksh, quickly.
Ma'am, explain it once.
Okay, those who want me to explain this once more, please lower down your hand. Please lower down your hand, those who want me to explain this once more. Yes, Rutvik. Yes, Vardhan.
Last slide because I joined at 7:7.
Yes, Rachna.
18 and 5 came, ma'am.
That is the short trick, beta. It's written in the side. Yes, Vihas.
Multiply with only 15 by 15, ma'am. Every question.
Yes, beta. Whenever you have to convert speed which is given in meter per second to kilometer per hour, converting meter per second to kilometer per hour, always you remember that you have to multiply that by 18 upon 5. It's the short trick, because if you convert kilometer into meter and then second into hour, so after solving that you have 18 by 5. So we will not go for that concept. We'll just quickly learn the short trick, that when meter per second is converted into kilometer per hour, just multiply 18 by 5. I had what? I had 15 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So I will multiply this 15 by 18 upon 5. So 15 into 18 by 5. I will simplify it. 5 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. I am left with 3 and 18 in the numerator. So 3 into 18 is 54 kilometer per hour. Take the screenshot, and I'm going to give you one question so that it is easy for you to do it. Let us check if you can do it or not. Just do the same short trick. 18 into 5, that's it. Try one question. Practice will make you perfect. Okay, here you go. You have to answer in the poll quickly. Thirty-six of you have given me the correct answer. Swastik, Gahan, and Vihas. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. Let's see how we will do it. Let's learn. We have to convert this 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour, right? So what I have to do? Just multiply this 25 by 18 upon 5. Nothing you have to do. Just multiply the given number by 18 upon 5 in order to convert into kilometer per hour. Now this 25 can be simplified by 5. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. I'm left with 5 and 18, right? So 5 into 18 is how much? 5 into 18 is 90. So 90 kilometer per hour is your answer. Did nothing, just multiplied it by 18 upon 5. Yes, Akshay.
Convert kilometer to meter per second. What formula we have to use, ma'am?
I will tell you once I'm done with this. Yes, Dhriti.
मैम मैम हमें ये आपने जो हमें मेथड बताया है इसमें हमेशा हमें मल्टीप्लाई 18 से करना है,
सिर्फ 18 अपॉन 5 से ही करना है. यस, करताला मोनिश. Kartala, you're not audible, beta. Yes, Devansh.
Means if 25 meter is given in the question, if there would be 35 meter, we would multiply 18 from 35 only.
Yes, beta. Yes, Dhanvit. Quickly, dear.
मैम it is short trick. Can you explain traditional method?
Beta, traditional method is too long. Go for the short trick. Don't give your head in the that thing. Traditional method. Yes, Kartala Monish.
Ma'am, why only 18 by 5 will come, ma'am?
That's the short trick, beta. That's the short trick. This 18 multiplied by 18 by 5. Just remember it that this is the short trick for it. Okay. Just keep in your mind that this is the short trick for it. Why it comes? Because when you convert meter into kilometer and second into hour, so when you do the calculation, after calculating, you will get 18 by 5. I'm not going to do that calculation because if I start that calculation, I will get 20-25 hand raises, right? Because you will ask me, ma'am, how to simplify that? And in your examination, you don't have to show the process, nor you have to do anything with the traditional method. We have to reduce our time, right? We have to use such methods that reduces our time. So traditional method, I will tell you some other day when we are done with all the chapters which are coming in the examination. Someday I'll take a class and tell you the traditional method. But today we are going to learn quickest way to do the calculation. So always do remember meter per second into kilometer per hour. Just multiply by 18 into 5. That's it. Nothing more you have to remember. Nothing more. Nothing more you have to remember. Okay? Please note this down. Take the screenshot, giving you another question. All the questions are from Bharati publication book. So you can practice from that as well, because it is very important to practice, beta. If you don't practice, then it would be very difficult for you to crack the examination. Here you go. Convert 3 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Okay. Here you go. Once we are done with meter per second into kilometer per hour, then I will tell you kilometer per hour to meter per second. Quickly go for it. But I want correct answer for all of you. Quickly, beta. Quickly. Only 16. अरे यार. Ritvik, Dhanvit, Harshit. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. But very, very less of you have answered. Very less. What I have to do? Simply multiply 18 by 5, right? Now this 3 is not divisible by 5, right? This 3, it is not divisible by 5. If 3 is not divisible by 5, then what I will do? I will multiply the numerator by the numerator. So 18 into 3 is 54. Upon me, 5. 54 upon 5 kilometer per hour is my answer. But it is not in the option. Answer is in what? Answers are in decimals. It is not in fractions. So you will divide 54 by 5. Divide 54 by 5. You will get 10.8 kilometer per hour. You can divide it and see, beta. I'm dividing one question for you. Each and every question, I won't divide it, okay? Each and every question, I won't divide it for you. I'm dividing one question for you. So 54 divided by 5, I got 10.8. 10.8 kilometer per hour. Yes, Gahan. Quickly note this down, everyone. Gahan. Beta, I don't know. Sometimes you try to say, but you're not audible, beta. I can see you are trying to say, but still you're not audible. Can you please ask in the chat box again? Because I cannot hear you. Yes, sir, Devansh. Devansh. Devansh, I think your network is not that good because your video is also paused and I could not hear you. You can also ask in the chat box, beta. Please, everyone, note this down. Did nothing. 3 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So I will multiply 3 into 18 by 5. Now this 3 and 18 both are not divisible by 5. So I will multiply 3 into 18, 54. Denominator I have 5. 54 upon 5. Divide 54 by 5. You will get 10.8 kilometer per hour. Gahan, for that you can check the announcement section. It's I think updated there, Gahan. The chapters we have done. Please check the announcement section for that or connect with the help support. Yes, Sahil, Shabana.
Divide, cut that 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18.
Beta, you cannot cut the denominator and the numerator and the numerator. In order to simplify, if one is the numerator, other should be the denominator. Okay, Sahil? Okay, I'm going to give you one more question related with it, and then we will move to next concept. One last question for it. 32 meter per second into dash kilometer per hour. Okay. Here you go. Yes, here you go. Okay, only 14 of you have given me the correct answer. Harshit, Devayush, and Monish. First three to answer me. Rest everyone wrong. And I know you are doing it wrong just because you don't know the calculation. Nothing apart from that, I can believe that. You don't understand this. I don't believe it. That you don't understand this question. Because you have to do nothing. Just multiply 18 by 5. And nothing you have to use your head. But still, if you are not able to do this question, beta, for sure, 110%, you are not very good at calculation. Not good at calculations. It's 32 meter per second, right? I will multiply by 18 upon 5. So 32, if I multiply, divide 32 by 5, it is not completely divisible. What will it be? It will be in decimals. So either you multiply this 32 into 18 and then divide it by 5. What I feel that I can divide 32 by 5 easily. Because if I divide 32 by 5, I will get how much? 5 1 is 5 and this will be 6.4. This would be 6.4. Right? And now multiply 6.4 into 18. You will get 115.2 kilometer per hour. Option C. 32 divided 5. It is not completely divisible, I know. But multiplying 32 into 18 is such a great number, and then again dividing it by 5, I feel it a bit difficult. But 32 divided 5 is very easy because 30, 5 6 are 30, 2 is left, 20 times me 4. So 6.4 will be my answer when I divide 32 by 5. And then multiply this 6.4 into 18, you will get 115.2. So how you will multiply 6.4 into 18? Don't multiply by 18. 64 into 10, then 64 into 8 and add them. Yes, Ruthwik? Yes, Ruthwik, beta.
Ma'am, I mistakenly raised my hand.
So you can lower down your hand, beta. Yes, Vardhan.
Ma'am, you did not show the last slide.
Pardon? You did not
You
understand?
no, ma'am. You can show that first slide in that formula slide.
Formula after the end of the class, beta. Yes, Devansh.
More time.
More time? No, beta. 30 seconds are more than enough. Yes, Vihas. Quickly, beta. Quickly.
Understand? Can you explain me?
Yes, beta, for sure. Sarvika. Sarvika, you are not audible, beta. Please do ask in the chat box. Yes, K. Chirag. Sorry, Chirag K. Quickly, dear.
Ma'am, can you explain once again?
Okay, I'm explaining this again. You can lower down your hand, everyone. See, 32 meter per second, you have to convert in kilometer per hour. So what you have to do? 32 into 18 by 5. Either you can multiply 32 into 18 and then divide it by 5. Okay, you can do that as well. You can do that as well. 32 into 18 then divided by 5. But I feel that 32 divided by 5 is easy for me because 32 divided by 5 is 6.4. Easily I can calculate. And 6.4 into 18 I can do easily, that is 115.2. If you ask me that, ma'am, can't I multiply these like 32 into 18 and then divide it by 5? I would say yes, you can do it. So 32 into 18, if you do it, how much will it be? 320 plus 256, 576, right? 576. 32 into 18 is 576. And now you can easily divide 576 by 5. You will get 115.2. Same answer you will get. Either you can simplify here 32 go, you can do 6.4 and then multiply 6.4 into 18. If you want, you can multiply this two also and then divide it by 5. Please take the screenshot and then I shall move to the next. This we learned meter per second into kilometer per hour. What if kilometer per hour question has been given to you and you have to convert in meter per second? Okay. Always do remember, if you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you will multiply 5 by 18. Just reciprocal of 18 upon 5. When we convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, what we multiply is 18 upon 5. But now, when we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you will multiply 5 upon 18. For example, if I tell you 9 kilometer per hour is equal to dash meter per second. So what you will do? 9 into 5 by 18 you will do. Because it is from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So you will do 5 upon 18. And now you can simplify it. 9 1 is 9 and 9 2 is 18. 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meter per second. 5 by 2 you will divide, you will get 2.5 meter per second. Is it clear, everyone? It is that easy. Yes, Aditya Kishore. Yes, beta. You are not audible, beta. Yes, Rachna.
Ma'am, how 2.5 will become, ma'am?
Divide 5 by 2. Divide 5 by 2. You will get 2.5, beta. Okay? Yes, Pardev. Quickly.
Can you explain it again?
Okay. You can lower down your hand, everyone. I'm explaining this again. See. Whenever you have to convert kilometer per hour speed into meter per second, what you have to do? You have to use the short trick. And what's the short trick? The short trick says that multiply the speed by 5 upon 18. So if it is 9 kilometer per hour, you want the answer in meter per second, just multiply 9 into 5 upon 18. Now 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. I am left with 5 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. So 5 by 2 meter per second. Most probably your options would be in decimals. So divide 5 by 2. You have to divide yourself, okay? Divide 5 by 2. You will get 2.5 meter per second. Divide 5 by 2 and see, you will get 2.5 meter per second. Okay, going to give you one question. Not one question, 2-3 questions related with it. Here you go. 54 kilometer per hour into dash meter per second. Here you go. Quickly, you can do the calculations. Today we are going to do basic questions only, okay? And then we will increase our level. Let me see. Okay, this time I got correct answer from 35 of you. Swastik, Kartala Monish and Shahil. Very good, beta. Many of you have given me the correct answer, but still only 50% result is there. Okay, let us see this. 54 into what? 5 upon 18 I will do. 5 upon 18. 18 1 is 18. 18 3 is 54. 18 1 is 18. 18 2s are 36 and 18 3s are 54. So you are left with 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Option C, 15 meter per second. Okay. No hand raises means all of you got it. Going to give you another question. 153. There you go. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer this time. Please do the calculations wisely, dear. Have patience when you calculate. Okay, I got correct answer from Anurag, Harshit and Kritik Thakur. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. But only 18 of you have given me the correct answer because I know rest of you don't know the calculation. It's okay now. It's okay. Nothing we have to do. Just multiply this by 5 upon 80. Now 153, it does not come in the table of 18, right? It is not divisible by 18. But 153, it is divisible by 3. Because 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 153 is divisible by 3 and 18 is also divisible by 3. So let's simplify it. 6 3s are 18 and this 51 into 3 is 153, right? I will divide 153 also by 3, 18 also by 3. Now, this 51 again divisible by 3. How many times? 17 times. 17 threes are 51 and this in 2 times. This in 2 times. Now I am left with what? 17 into 5. So 17 5s are 85. Upon may I have 2. Now divide 85 by 2. When you divide 85 by 2, you will get 42.5 meter per second. Option A. Quickly take the screenshot and if any doubts, do ask me. It's all about calculation. If you don't know the table, if you don't know how to simplify, even I teach you thousands of times, for sure, beta, I know you will not understand. For sure. Because everything is based on calculations, dear. Math is all about calculation. And now it's exam time. You hardly have few months left. Few months left. And still, if you are not serious about your examination, then let me tell you that you're not serious about your selection. Okay. Yes, Aditya Kishore.
Ma'am, can you please explain it once again?
Yes, beta. Yes, Abhay Kumar. Abhay Kumar. Abhay, beta, you're not audible to me. I hope you are asking me to explain this again. I'm explaining this. Okay. Yes, Deshwin.
You can say again.
Yes, yes. Okay. Everyone, you can lower down your hand, beta. I'm explaining this once more. 153 kilometer, you have to convert in meter per second, right? So you can do what? You can simplify it. So this 153 is not directly divisible by 18, but 153 and 18 both are divisible by 3, though divisible by 9 also. But let us see that if it is divisible by 3 or not. You can directly simplify by 9 as well. Like 9 2s are 18 and 9 into 17 is 153. Right? Because 79s are 153. But let me do it by 3 so that it is more easy and convenient for you. So 3 6 are 18. 3 into 51 is 153. Again, 2 times may 6 and 17 times may 51. I am left with 17 and 5 in the numerator. So 17 into 5 is 85. In the denominator, I am left with 2. So 85 upon 2. Now divide 85 by 2. You will get 42.5. Option A, answer. Quickly take the screenshot and then we shall move ahead. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Okay, one last question I'm giving you of this type. Last question. And then we shall move to the next concept. Okay. Last question. Then we shall move to the next. Okay. Now, I want each one of you to give me the correct answer, beta. Everyone, do the correct calculation. Okay, this time 34 of you have given me the correct answer. Sudeep, Swastik and Gahan. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 162 into 5 upon 18, right? And if you know the table of 18, you know 18 1 is 18. 18 into 9 is 162. Beta, if you don't know the table of 18, let me tell you, I feel sorry for you and your selection, because this is something that you should know if you are sitting for the entrance exam, dear. 162 divided 18, you got 9. 9 into 5, 45. Option C, answer. Option C is your answer. Yes, Aradhya. Quickly.
Mistakenly, I clicked with hand raise.
Yes, Chirag. Chirag, beta, you're not audible, dear. Yes, Mansi. Mansi, beta. What?
They're spamming in chat box, ma'am.
Forget about it, beta. Those who need selection, they are focusing on the studies, and I don't focus in the chat box. Let them spam. Yes, Akshay. Yes, Akshay.
I didn't get the poll.
Internet glitch, dear. Okay. Now let us move to the another type of question. This was the basic question that comes in the examination. You know, one question I have it with me. Where it went? अरे अभी तो था नजर में कहाँ भाग गया? I had one question in front of my eyes in the book and I don't know where it get lost. Okay, I shall give you that question. Moving to the next concept. And you know what? Especially in JNV and RMS, this type of direct question comes in the examination. Direct question. And free ka 8 marks. This is free ka 8 marks. Because you don't have to do anything, just the calculation. Chali. Now, this was the basic thing. Conversion of speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour to meter per second. Paper leak. You want me to get arrested, Devayush? Paper leak. I don't have any link in that. I have no links in the department, beta. Okay. See, suppose like a car is traveling with a speed of 54 kilometer per hour. How much time will it take to cover 450 meter? I shall explain you this question. I'm not going to give you poll, okay? I'm going to explain you this question. Then next question I shall give you poll. S is for second, okay? S is for second. Let me keep the book. Each and every question you can find in the book, okay? See, the question says a car is traveling with a speed of 54 km per hour. How much time will it take to cover 450 meters? Now, most of the students, what they do, they know that I have to find time. So, time ka formula you know, right? Time ka formula is known to you. That is distance by speed. But one thing you have to use in your head, that this speed is given in kilometer per hour. Distance is given in meter. And time is given in seconds. In my option, time is given in seconds, distance is given in meter, but speed is given in kilometer per hour. If speed was given in meter per second, I could have easily calculated my answer, because I cannot write 450 upon 54 here, because if the distance is in meter, speed should be in meter per second. Okay, if the distance is in meter, speed should be in meter per second. You cannot use kilometer per hour. No. And if you are taking kilometer per hour, the distance, it should be in kilometer. If you are taking kilometer per hour, distance should be in kilometer. But if distance is in meter, speed should also be in meter per second. We right now learned, right, how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. We just learned like 54 kilometer per hour. What we will do? You will multiply by 5 into 18, right? We will multiply by 5 into 18. 18 1 is 18 and 18 into 3 is 54. So 3 5 15 meter per second. In this question, the speed is given in kilometer per hour. First thing you have to do is you have to convert kilometer per hour into what? Into meter per second. Convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. I got 15. Now the distance is in meter and speed is also in meter per second. So I will get my answer in second. So 15 1 is 15 and 15 30 is 450. 30 second is my answer. That is option B. That is option B. Yes, Chirag.
Thanks.
Yes, Chirag. Yes, beta, for sure. See, always do remember that whenever the speed and distance, they have different units, you have to try to make the units same. If the speed is in kilometer per hour, distance is in meter, try to convert speed into meter per second. So 54 kilometer per hour, I will convert it into meter per second. How? By multiplying it by 5 upon 18. So 54 into 5 upon 18. 18 1 is 18. 18 3s are 54. 3 into 5, 15 meter per second is my speed. Now, distance is in meter, speed is in meter per second. I can easily calculate the time. Distance is 450, speed is 15. Now simplify it, you will get 30 seconds as your answer. That is option B. Please take the screenshot and tell me if any doubts. No one, no doubts, Peter? So many doubts. Okay, let me see. Yes, Anurag. Anurag Maji. Kartala Monish. Quickly.
Once more.
Okay, explaining this once more. Okay, everyone, you can lower down your hand. I'm explaining this once more for the last time. Car is traveling with a speed of 54 km per hour. I have to find time when distance is given 450 meter. Formula is very simple. I know time is equal to distance upon speed. But distance is in meter, speed is in kilometer per hour. First, you will convert speed into meter per second. 54 into 5 upon 18. 18 1 is 18. 18 3s are 54. 3 into 5, 15 meter per second is your speed. Now put it into the formula. Distance is 450. Speed is 15. 450 divided 15, you got 30 seconds as your answer. 30 seconds as your answer. Yes, Arav Sharma. Arav, beta, you're not audible there. Yes, Rachna.
Ma'am, we can't multiply by 1000, ma'am.
No. Yes, Nikumto.
Why did we have to get the kilometer per hour miles per hour, kilometer per second?
We have to make the units same, because if the units are different, your answer would come wrong. Okay, so you have to make the unit same. Yes, Mahit. Mahit.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta, quickly. Beta, you can ask your doubt in the chat box. Yes, Prerit.
What about the pole test?
Pardon, beta?
What about the pole test on the next question?
Pole. Next. Pole test, beta. In the next class, you play pole with me. Okay. Next class, we will play pole time. And for today, this is the last question, the last concept, and that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone. Do practice the questions of distance, time, and speed from Bharati publication book. Bye, everyone.